my name's Jessica and I am the Organized Mama. I help families just like you with organizing tips, tricks, and tutorials. See this lovely spring wreath? You can totally make one at home with only a few materials. This beauty will probably take you about 15 minutes. All you need is some garland, a bouquet of fake flowers, ribbon, and a scissors.
To create the floral wreath, you will need leaf garland, florals, twist ties, scissors, and a wreath frame. The one I'm using is an 18-inch box wire frame. Lay the garland over the frame. Then, using your twist ties, attach the garland to the frame. I cut extra long twist ties just so I could use them when I attach the floral. When all the garland is attached to the frame, then it's time to add the floral. So I really wanted something bright and springy, so I found these adorable florals that were like pinks and greens that I thought were perfect. Now, what I did to cut the floral, I don't have a wire cutter, which is what you could typically use, or like a fake floral scissor. Instead, I just took a sharp pair of scissors, and if you aren't sure that your hair is sharp enough, then just like cut through aluminum foil, and it does actually make your scissors a little sharper, which is fun and easy to add more sharpness to your scissors. So what I did to cut the floral, I first scored it using the scissors. So I made like I kind of took off the green plastic part using the scissor. Then I bent the wire back and forth until the floral wire broke. Then I added it to the frame. Now to do this, I twisted the floral around the frame, and then some of the long twist ties that I had, I also attached to the floral to kind of keep everything in place. I did that for a bouquet and a half to add to this wreath. Now all the flowers are added, and I just need to add the ribbon to hold the wreath up for either, like front door, over a mirror, on really anywhere that you'd like to hang your flowers. This wreath is going to go in my office because I really want something bright and springy. So cut your ribbon, and then wrap the ribbon around the wreath frame, tie it, and then I added a flower just to kind of add some pizzazz to it. This was like a white peony flower. It was like a one-off type of flower instead of like a bouquet, and I am so pleased with how it turned out.
Love these tips? Don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. There are new videos every Wednesday.